Okay, so we have some right-angled triangles with two sides that we know and one side that we don't know. And that tells us we're going to be using Pythagoras' theorem. Now, Pythagoras' theorem can be written in another way, in a number of ways. But stated simply, it says that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So if I call the hypotenuse A, that's A squared equals B squared plus C squared. So in my first triangle here, my hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is x. So I can write this as x squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. I work those out. That's x squared equals 144 plus 25. Add those together. X squared equals 169. I want to find out x. I know x squared. So to find x, I square root 169. And the square root of 169 is 13. So x is 13 centimeters long. My second triangle, again, I've got two sides I know, a right angle and a side I'm trying to find. So that tells me, again, I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem. So let me write that out. A squared equals B squared plus C squared. So A is the hypotenuse, and that's AC here, what I'm trying to find. So AC squared equals 6.94 squared plus 4.87 squared. Now, it doesn't matter which way round those are. We could have 4.87 squared plus 6.94 or the other way round. It doesn't matter. So if I work that out, that equals 71.8805. Now, you probably have lots of other numbers in your calculator, and it's a good idea to keep those in your calculator now, but write down some answers so that the examiner can see that you've got this far. And then to find AC, we're going to square root this. If we square root it, we get 8.4 and a whole load of other numbers. Now, the two lengths we're given the two decimal places, so it's a sensible idea to give our answer to two decimal places, unless the question says otherwise. So the answer I'm going to give is 8.48 kilometers.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.